This is the Portland Aeriel Tram here at OHSU in Portland. We could have gotten the front. Look at this amazing view.
My phone isn't liking this.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? My phone sucks.
Yeah. These cameras have gotten terrible now.
Reason why I'm upgrading to Samsung.
I was about to say that. Look how beautiful the building is. Or downtown Portland is.
Roblox cable car in real life.
Mm-hmm.
The old one from ET before it got replaced with the funicular tram.
Yeah.
There's Portland right there.
Mm-hmm. If we would have got in the front, we'd have a better view.
Yeah.
Well, this is actually better on this side.
It's faster than I thought it was.
Mm-hmm. This is like an airplane landing.
In slow motion.
Mm-hmm. Like we're on the final approach already. Oh, we just kind of waited with the other one.
Nice. There's a pedestrian. Well, that's not really a pedestrian bridge. I don't know. The LED
Yeah,
one.
each of these are counterweights and cars itself.
Yeah.
They run on the same drive.
This is so cool.
Mm-hmm.
There's the interstate right below us.
Mm-hmm.
The cabin will swing as it passes the tower. Please watch your balance.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Oh shit.
This is gonna be trippy.
Mm-hmm.
Reminds me of the what's it called? The Disney tram, not the monorail. I don't know, the Disney thing.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. The new one.
Yeah, not the monorail, but like the tram, the sky tram.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's that. Oh, it's broken. Seriously?
What is?
That elevator. That's the one I was gonna show you.
Oh, what happened? Wait, what elevator is that?
It's a Kone MEI roped hydraulic, and it has an epic motor.
Damn.
We're docking, and that'll be it.